Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix for e-commerce. First, select a suitable template from Wix's extensive library that aligns with your brand. Next, populate your store with products, ensuring each has compelling descriptions and high-resolution images. Finally, integrate secure payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe to process customer transactions smoothly and reliably. This foundational setup is crucial for a successful online presence. Personalize your store's aesthetic by adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts to reflect your brand's unique style. Efficiently organize your products into logical categories, making it simple for customers to find exactly what they need. Craft engaging product descriptions that not only inform, but also persuade, emphasizing key benefits and features to encourage purchases. Manage all incoming orders directly from your Wix dashboard, ensuring timely processing and fulfillment. Establish clear shipping rules, which can be based on product weight, total order price, or specific geographic regions. Keep your customers informed every step of the way by sending automated updates on their order status, from confirmation to delivery. Boost your store's visibility by leveraging Wix's built-in SEO tools, helping potential customers find you through search engines. Launch targeted promotional campaigns, such as discounts or special offers, to attract new buyers and reward loyal ones. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals and resources that can further enhance your e-commerce journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.